Anna is a young woman. She is 20 years old. She lives in a small town with her mother, father, and little brother. Her town is quiet. There are trees, cows, and friendly people. But Anna wants more. She wants to see big buildings. She wants to work in a big office. She wants to live in the city. One day, Anna gets a letter. It is from a company in the city. Dear Anna, you got the job. Please come to the city office next Monday. Thank you, Green Tech Company. Anna is so happy. She jumps and shouts, "Yes, I got the job!" Her mother smiles, but is a little sad. "I will miss you, Anna." Anna hugs her. "I will come back to visit, I promise." Anna takes a train to the city. She looks out the window. She sees buildings, roads, and many people. She arrives at the train station. It is loud. People walk fast. Cars honk. Anna feels nervous. This is not like my town, she thinks. She takes a taxi to her new home. It is a small room in a tall building. The room is not big, but it is hers. She sits on the bed and smiles. This is my new life. Anna wakes up early. She wears her best clothes. She takes a bus to work. The office is big and shiny. At the door, she meets a woman. "Hello, I'm Sarah," the woman says. "I will help you today." Anna smiles. "Thank you, Sarah." Sarah shows Anna her desk, computer, and phone. "You will help answer emails and talk to clients." Anna nods. She starts working. It is hard at first. She types slowly. She makes small mistakes. But Sarah is kind. She helps Anna learn. At lunch, Anna goes to the cafeteria. She sees many people eating and talking. She sits alone. A man walks over. "Hi, can I sit here?" he asks. Anna smiles. "Yes, of course." "My name is Omar," he says. "I'm Anna." They eat and talk. Omar is funny. He tells stories about the city. Anna laughs. "Do you want to go to the park after work?" Omar asks. "Yes, I'd like that," Anna says. After work, Anna and Omar go to the park. The city lights shine. The cars move like rivers of light. People walk, talk, and eat ice cream. Anna looks around. This place is so busy, but so beautiful. Omar smiles. Yes, the city never sleeps. They sit on a bench. A dog runs past. Children laugh. Music plays from a small cafe. "I think I will like it here," Anna says. 1 week later, Anna comes to work and sees her boss looking worried. "The big file is missing," he says. "We cannot find it." Anna checks her computer. "I think I saw it yesterday," she says. She looks again. She checks the emails. After 10 minutes, she finds the file. Here it is. Her boss is happy. Good job, Anna. Anna smiles. I want to do my best. That night, Anna feels tired. She misses her family. She misses her mother's cooking. She misses the quiet of her small town. She calls home. Hi, Mom. Anna, how are you? I'm okay. I miss you. We miss you too, dear, but we are proud of you. Anna smiles. Her mother's voice makes her feel better. 2 weeks later, Anna comes home from work and sees someone at her door. It's her little brother. David, what are you doing here? I came with Dad. We wanted to see you. Anna hugs him tight. Her father smiles and gives her a box. Inside are cookies, a sweater, and a note from her mom. Anna cries a little. Thank you. I needed this.